Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. This is mainly going to be a technical update on XRP. I think there's no real the only fundamental news we can talk about regarding Ripple is something that in the end we still have to look at the price to really get confirmation. All right, we can talk back and forth a lot about this $125 million fine and if that's a lot of money for Ripple or not. Some people in the comments say it's peanuts. Some people say, well, it's actually a pretty big fine. I tend to lean towards that it's a pretty big fine. It is, just objectively, it's a lot of money. I don't think it's going to bankrupt Ripple. All right, I don't think that's the case. But what I talked about yesterday as well, and I do think that's a real thing to talk about, is that a lawsuit that takes this long takes its toll on a company. All right, and Ripple in the end, it's a cryptocurrency project, but it's also a company, and it's a real business entity. So that is something we'll have to see with the price. All right, now that they actually have some more, hopefully, financial freedom, will they get some good market makers? Will they do some great stuff with Ripple and XRP? That's something we'll have to see. Technically, like I said yesterday as well, I'm still leaning towards being bullish on XRP. All right, so just so you know. I think if you look at the technical situation right here, obviously if you zoom out, we are consolidating, all right? We're basically in this area right here between 66, 68 cents. That's the main resistance, which we got a fake out above once the 11th of March, but that's it. And then our main support is all the way right here at 42 cents. And I think on the shorter time frames, like right here, we've been holding our levels relatively well as well. So therefore, in combination with that, I'm actually fundamentally leaning bullish on XRP as well. I think this whole settlement is more bullish than bearish, which some of you might say like, well, obviously, right? Obviously, this is more bullish than bearish. But like I said, and I've spoken about this quite often in the last couple of videos, there's reasons to find this a little bit bearish as well. The whole SEC case was also the main catalyst behind some of the biggest moves we've seen from XRP in the last year. So it might have been bearish, but having that big catalyst always behind the price is also something bullish to have. And we no longer have that. So there's reasons to be bearish. I'm bullish. What I'm looking for here, like if you look at the market structure here, short term, we found some strong support down here at like 57 cents. I was personally waiting for a bit lower. Here at 56, 55, 54 cents. That was my green buy area. I'm still waiting for that. I think if we get a good reaction from that level, I think that's a good buy opportunity. The second opportunity I have, even though at this moment I'm not too interested in it, is some sort of a reclaim above 60 cents. Right, 60 cents was the main support level that held us up after the settlement news. It's a psychological key level. And XRP is trying to do something like this, right? So that it reclaims, consolidates, and bounces. That's what it's trying to do. The reason why I'm not super convinced about this, and this is a beautiful drawing, by the way. The reason why I'm not super convinced about this is that I would say like a breakout on the weekend, I never really trust. And at this moment, XRP also doesn't have a lot of momentum, right? So if the open interest starts rallying here, and then XRP is able to break above 60 cents, then I think that could be a good opportunity to chase as well. Because for now, I'm not chasing, right? For now, I'm waiting for my buy area to hit. And then I have no limit orders. Once we hit that level, I'll assess whether I want to buy or not, depending on the markets, depending on the momentum, depending on a lot. But if we are able to break above 60 cents here with momentum, then I think it's a decent idea to chase. And the invalidation is very, very easy as well. So those are my thoughts on XRP for now. What I expect in terms of price action, because we haven't really talked about that. I mean, it's basically either this, right? So it's basically consolidating here and then eventually breaking out like this, or it's breaking out in the weekend and rallying up higher. I'm leaning towards this, all right? So I do think ultimately we will break out, but I think it's a bit more likely, at least for this weekend, maybe the start of next week, that we will consolidate a bit more. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.